Welcome to BitTrust. In this video, we are going to show you how easy it is to set up a Trust wallet to hold your cryptocurrency securely. But first, let's learn about Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is the official wallet by Binance. The wallet is private and secure with no collections of your personal information. Plus, you have access to your private keys. Therefore, you have full control of your crypto. Currently, Trust Wallet supports 53 blockchains and more than 1 million assets. We are going to walk you through how to set it up and hold your crypto. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's start by going to the App Store to download the app. Once the app is downloaded, you can either create a new wallet or you can restore your wallet if you have a new phone. Let's go ahead and create a new wallet now. You will need to write your recovery phrases down, and keep them somewhere offline safe where only you can have access to. Anyone who gets access to those phrases will be able to have full control of your wallet. Once you're done writing down the phrases in order and confirm them, you will enter the app. The first thing you should do on the app is set up a security password. To do that, you simply click on the setting button on the right bottom side. Click Security, and then App Lock. You will enter your password in this section. Click on the Wallet button to go to the main screen. On the wallet, you will see your balance on the screen. You can also hide the balance by clicking on it. You will automatically see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. If you want to add more to the list, press the icon on the top right of the screen. As you can see, there are a lot of coins you can choose from, and you can search for a specific one. Now click on any coin. For example, I will click on Bitcoin. To see the chart of Bitcoin, you simply just click the graph icon on the top right side. It will show you the price of the coin, and the market cap, and the trading volume. To send money to another wallet, click on Send, paste or scan the address of the other wallet, and enter the amount. Make sure you're sending the money to the right address in the right network. To receive money in your wallet, click on Receive. It will display your address for this specific crypto, and your QR code. Just remember you have different addresses, and different networks for each coin. Make sure you select the right one to avoid the risk of losing your money. Contact us today if you want to learn more.